So I got something for you that I think is going to absolutely change the game. This is different than anything that you've seen before on the internet when it comes to making money online. So regardless if you're brand new to the internet making money, or you're a veteran affiliate marketer, network marketer, you're going to love what I have for you today, because this has really been taking the world by storm over the course of the past 2 weeks. So I'm going to use a buzzword right now, and that is trading bot. Okay, before you jump to conclusions, you're like, okay, another one of these that's just going to last for a few months, and then it's going to go under and it's going to take all my money. We've all been a part of one of those over the course of the past few years, unless you're living under a rock. So why did I decide to jump on board with this specific program? Well, not only has it been around for 6 years, but the chief legal counsel is a former SEC attorney. What does that say? It says that they're compliant. This isn't one of those Ponzi schemes with Ponzonomics. This is actually a legitimate company that's been around for 6 years that finally integrated a trading bot into their product line. So check this out. You can see that I started with this on the 12th of September, and now it's the 24th, and you can see the daily earnings right here. We've had a couple 1% days. Now this varies. It's not guaranteed that you're going to make 1% per day. It's up to 1% per day, but you're going to earn 300% off of your package purchase. So if you purchase a package that's $2,500, like I did here, you're going to get back, I believe that's $7,500. That is 3x your original purchase, and you're able to earn up to 30% per month. Okay, that's roughly right around about what you can sort of predict. Of course, there's no guarantees. As you can see right here, we've had 1% days. We had a 0.35% day today on the 24th. Actually, that was yesterday. Today's the 25th. But you can see consistently we're getting gains into our account. We can then go ahead and withdraw over in the withdrawal section right here. So what I've created is I've created a complete comprehensive video below that walks you through a live deposit. And then also I'm going to include a link that gives you the complete overview of this program, of this project, and exactly how it works. This was created by my sponsor, Jamie, and he walks you through absolutely everything. I kind of give you guys a quick summary, but he goes in a lot of depth on how this works, the affiliate comp plan. People absolutely love this. So when I first got into this income stream, I knew it was going to be something, but I didn't think it was going to be as big as it's, growing right now. Check this out. Look at my email inbox. So the 21st, I got a commission notification. You can see right here, $500 commission here. You can see on the 23rd, I had 8 notifications of commissions. You can see $20 here. You can see another $20. You can see $250, another $250, another $20, another $20, and it just goes on and on and on. And then we've got 3 commission notifications on the 24th of $10, another $10, and another $200. And then just recently this morning, another $25 commission right here. So that's telling me something. People want this. People are loving this. They love the fact that they feel like their deposit is safe because of the chief legal counsel being a former SEC attorney. They're loving that this company's been around for 6 years, so it has a solid track record. If we go to My Financial, you can see, of course, number one, before I jump over there, you can see that this bot's generated $208.75. I haven't withdrawn yet, but I will very, very soon. But as far as affiliate commissions, if we go to summary over here, you can see I've earned $1,470 in commissions in a relatively short amount of time. So if you're an affiliate marketer or network marketer, you're absolutely going to love this. And also, if you're somebody that's completely brand new, there's going to be another link in the description that will help you get started with affiliate marketing, where I teach you how to build a brand leveraging a specific product in that playlist. So that's a prerequisite if you actually want to go out and you want to start promoting and potentially produce results like this, I highly recommend that you start with that playlist below so you can understand how to build a brand in the affiliate marketing / network marketing space. Because what you're going to be able to do once you go through that playlist is you can actually copy these same exact videos for Mydlife, the video that I'm shooting right now. You can use this video to sell and tell and educate people. So it's really, really powerful. So you don't have to show your face if you choose not to do that. And you can leverage my authority while you build your online business. Again, to understand how to do this in detail, there's going to be a playlist below. And also there's going to be resources for those of you guys that want to get involved. Maybe you just want to, get involved with the trading bot and that's it. Maybe you don't want to promote this. That's completely fine too. 100% up to you. So regardless, all the resources will be below so you can get started with Mydlife and get started with affiliate marketing in general. So I hope this video was of value to you. This is a project and a program that's really taking the world by storm right now. A lot of my focus will be going towards this because I am noticing the trend. People are loving the product line. There's not just the trading bot. There's many other cool things within their product line. You have the ability to get a free certificate for a cruise, amongst other things, lots of digital marketing education included. That's why people are loving this. So to learn more about this in complete detail, you want the complete tutorial series, it's going to be below in the description. And make sure that you subscribe, tick the bell icon. And if you're interested in my crypto passive income programs, there's going to be a Telegram link below too as well, where you can join my Telegram group, learn about the different programs that I'm in. Now, you need to understand that with any crypto opportunity out there whatsoever, it carries risk. So I always tell people to deposit what it is that they can afford to lose in most cases. I would say the same thing about this, but the cool thing is with, if you decide to do $100 or a $2,500 deposit, you're not just getting a trading bot that you're risking your money on. You're actually getting all that digital marketing education. You're getting that certificate for the cruise, amongst many, many other things. So all details are below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.